Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll walk you through the process of managing trusted devices on your iPhone. Let's dive right in. Open the Safari browser on your iPhone. In the search bar, type icloud.com and search. Click on Sign In and tap Sign In again to confirm. Your device will verify your Face ID and log you into your account. At the top right corner, click on the profile icon. Tap on Manage Apple Account. Scroll down and tap on Account Security. Under the Trusted Devices section, you'll see a list of all your devices. To remove a device, click on the arrow icon next to the device name. On the Details page, scroll to the bottom and tap on Remove from Account. When the confirmation pop-up appears, click on Remove to confirm. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a trusted device from your Apple account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.